Hello people. Presently, Senator Sherwin Gatchalian suggested removing physical education in the higher education curriculum, calling it redundant or kabalik-balik. Let us clear this up. Physical education is never and not redundant. It is a vital continuation of the foundational skill developed in basic education. According to CHED Memorandum Order number 39, series of 2021, tertiary physical education builds on the K-12 physical education curriculum. It is also one of the components of the general education curriculum under CMO number 20, series of 2013. Ang PE sa college dili balik-balik sa high school. Sa CMO number 39, series of 2021, gilati didto nga ang college PE usa ka mas lawom nga pagsabot ug paggamit sa mga nahibaw-an sa K-12 na curriculum. This includes courses like PathFit, physical activities towards health and fitness. Ang goal ani, ma-develop ang whole person, huna-huna, lawas ug batasan sa mga estudyante. It was also mentioned during the Senate hearing that courses in college must match to the evolution of the world. We now live in a time of fast-paced lives, desk-bound jobs, digital stress, and sedentary habits. These new demands threaten the physical, emotional, and mental health of the youth. Physical education equips us to stand through this evolution physically, emotionally, and mentally. Nagbago ang kalibutan, tinuod ang klase sa trabaho, lifestyle, ug panginahanglanon sa kinabuhi nag-evolve. Ang physical education nag-andam nato sa bagong kalibutan, pinaagi sa maayong panlawas, disiplina, panghuna-huna nga andam sa pressure. Let's not forget that 1987 Philippine Constitution Article 14 Section 19 mandates the state to promote physical education and encourage sports program to foster self-discipline, teamwork, and excellence. Gisuportaan usab kini sa Republic Act 5708 nga nagahisgot sa papel sa physical education sa pagpalambo sa kabatanunan ug sa nasyonal nga katuyuan. Tertiary physical education is a response to a growing need for wellness, discipline, and holistic human development, especially in a time when both mental and physical health are under threat. Research backs this up. Studies have shown that students who take physical education show better stress management, improve mental health, and even stronger academic performance. We must not mistake physical education for mere repetition. Before removing physical education in college, mangutana ta, do we want graduates na mga walay buot? Or do we want well-rounded Filipinos who are fit in mind, body, and character? You decide.